stand up, please. Good afternoon, dear students.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay, sit down, please. What season is it now? Okay, Russell. It is winter. Yes, it's right, son. Okay, what month is it now? Okay,
It's January.
it's January. Okay, and what date is it today? I'll say it.
Today is the 29th January.
The 29th of
January.
January. Yes, it's right, son. Now, before beginning our lesson, I want to explain you the assessment of today's lesson. Okay? That when you work individually, I will give you medals, and at the end of the lesson, you will count your medals and define your marks. Okay? Why is the past material? At the last lessons, what themes do we study? What themes have we studied? What themes? About
school.
About school, okay, and about school life, yes, and about school,
The subject.
yeah. At first read the task, then if you know the answer, please raise your hands, okay? Okay, now the first task is
We read stories and learn words by heart.
by heart. What subject is it? Raise your hands. Out. Yes, that's it's history. Okay, now we will check. No, it's not right answer. Okay, then next question. Okay, read the task. How is Ravi? It's. You think that it's Russian, yes? Now, yes, it's right. Answer. Okay, the next task. Please read.
We learn to read, write, listen, and speak English.
Now we will check. Yes, it's right. Answer. Okay. Now the next question that we learn about the past. The past. Yes, it's history. Now, yes, it's right. The next task. We do sums. It's maths. Now, what kind of communication do you see, and what kind of communication do you prefer or you use? What kind of communications are there in the pictures?
I prefer
TikTok, okay. Out. Yes, that. What kind of communication do you prefer?
WhatsApp. I prefer WhatsApp.
Okay. Sit down. Thank you very much.
I prefer
Instagram, okay. And
I prefer Telegram.
Telegram. What is it?
Email.
Email. Yes. And have you got your own emails? Have you got your own emails?
Yes,
Yes.
we have got.
All of you have, or only you have? I have, yes? Okay. Now, what do you do in email? With your email, what do you do?
I talk. I write.
I talk with my
friends.
with my friends. Okay. Now, and how do you think, according to all these works that we have done, what is the theme of today's lesson?
About email.
Yes, about email. Okay. Now, today's theme is an email about school. And today, as a lesson, we are going to study a model email, learn key phrases for writing emails, learn about giving examples, write an email about your school. We are going to write an email at the end of our lesson. And I want to put some questions. Do you know what language do you use while writing an email? Do you know or no?
Yes,
I think that, Russell, how do you think? What language do you use?
I use English.
English language, okay. Thank you very much. Sit down. In writing, we use formal and informal languages. Formal language, we use formal language when we write essays about our school or about some writers, and when we write cover letters for applications or emails and letters at work. Okay? And the informal language we use when we communicate with our classmates or with our friends, with our relatives. And how do you think? What language do we use while writing an email to our friends? Yes, I have written your names. And we need how many groups? Two groups, yes? The first group is Rabil, Aziz Khan, Ulbala, and Nuray. Okay, and the second group is Nurasol, Alvina, Zeynep, Yazat, and Anju. Okay, stand up and come to your place. Now, the first group, come here please. The second group, come here. The tips for writing an email. Email consists of three main parts. The first part is introduction. The second is the main part and the conclusion. You have parts of an email. Your task will be to put the parts of email in the right order. You have finished? Open your books at page number 63. And check your task, please. Is it right or not? Yes. Okay. Now you.
Yes, it's right.
Yes, it's right. Now I will give you hands. The next task will be read this email. Now, please.
Hi, I'm very happy that you're coming to stay with us next month.
Okay, Aziz Khan, continue.
Here's some information about my
Timetable.
and my
Okay.
school starts at what at past 8 and there are 6 lessons every day.
Okay, go on.
The classes are 45 minutes long. Our students study English, math, and science, but you can choose other subjects like geography and French.
Okay, you continue.
There are clubs after school, for example, drama, table tennis, and music.
Okay, go on. Russell,
I
go on.
go to drama club once a week. I usually have
Lunch.
in the canteen. It's good because you can buy snack food such as sandwiches and fruit, but you can also have a healthy salad and a hot meal.
Okay,
See you next month.
months. Okay, thank you very much. You have some questions and answers about this email. Your task is to make puzzle and to match the answer with the question. With questions and with the answers. Okay? Now, begin. Now be quick, be quick. Now, you will check each other's words, okay? Now, please check. The answers are on the board. If they have mistakes, take the answer and put in the corner. You have found a lot of mistakes?
Yes.
Please let's say, how many right answers do they have? Do they have any mistakes? Do they have? No? Okay. And what about the first group?
We have 6 wrong answers.
Why you have? They have. They have 6
Wrong answers.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. First group will take 4 pens. And the second group, you have only 2 pairs, 3 pairs. You will take 2 pens. Okay? Now.
Ending that's the right use.
Right for now. Okay, the next question.
How many school subjects does she mention?
Mention.
5 English, math, science, geography, and French.
Yes. Look at this email box. And we have some letters. We'll come one by one. Take a letter and read the task. Okay? The task is complete the sentences or expressions, useful key phrases with the words. Okay? Now, who wants to begin? Take only one letter. Open it. Be quick. Read the task.
See you next month.
Yes, it's right. See you the next month. Okay, come. The next. Read louder.
I go to drama club twice a week.
Молодец. Now take your medal. Okay. Okay.
I usually have lunch in the canteen.
Yes, it's right.
Usually salad and
Healthy salad. Okay. What connector do you use? Such as. Okay. And the last Jude.
All students study English, math, and science, but we can choose other subjects like geography and French.
And yes, we'll use like Russell and Jude. Open your book at page number 63, exercise number 3. You will do this exercise. Your task is complete these sentences with your own ideas. Okay? Page number 45. We will do exercises 1 and 2. Exercise number 1, we'll do Aziz Khan, Albina, Yerzat, Aziz. Okay? And exercise number 2, we'll do Zeynep, Rabi, Anju, and Ulbala. Nuray and Ulbala. Now, please begin. Let's check this exercise. Okay? Now, I think that we will begin from Anju and Russell. Okay, now?
She eats a lot of junk food. For example, hamburger, pizza, food. I prefer subjects like history. There are people here from different countries such as Kazakhstan, Russia, America, Asia.
Okay, Russell, you?
I eat a lot of fruit and vegetables, for example, apple and carrot. Some people do indoor sports like tennis and volleyball. In the canteen, you can buy healthy food such as salad and a hot meal.
Volleyball, we use double L. Okay? Now, you don't have mistakes, that's why I will give you 4 medals. Okay. If your answers are right, put tick. If they're not right, put cross. Okay?
I am in the book single line. Name and the
Pin. Yes. Aziz, read.
That is in the spread such as cooking,
Cycling.
and
Tennis. Okay, it's right. And the last one. Aziz, read the last one.
Are you interested in different stars like not
Diamond.
lemon and oven?
Amanda Bloom. Okay. Now, have you put ticks and cross? Okay. Aziz Khan, how many right answers do you have? How many answers right? All answers right, yes? Now, these are your medals. And Aziz, how many right answers do you have? 1, 2, you have 1 mistake, yes? Now, for example, and such as from the first group and from the second group. You may come, one person or two. Please come. Out. And you will begin. Yes. That group 1, you must listen her carefully, and at the end you will assess them.
Hi, I study at Valerichikal Secondary School. Here is some information about my school. School starts at 2 o'clock. There are 6 lessons every day. The classes are 45 minutes long. All students study Kazakh, Russian, Maths, History, English. There are clubs after school. For example, chess, dancing, basketball. I go to chess twice a week. I usually have lunch in the canteen. For example, salad, hot meal, apple, juice, tea. Goodbye, class.
Okay. Now, how many points will you give them?
4.
4? Okay. Now.
There are also after-school clubs in our school, like chess, basketball, and dancing. I like dancing. I have lunch in the school canteen. Here is a hot meal every day, such as porridge, soup, fish. Also, you can have salad, apples, tea, or juice. But for now, Uvala.
Now you assess them. Assess them. How many points?
4.
4. Okay. Now, thank you very much. I want you to count your medals. Please count your medals. How many medals have you got? Count them. You have stickers on your desk. Please write your name and stick on your mark, please. Be quick. Okay, you how many? 4. Your mark is 7, 4. These are your marks for today's lesson. Okay? Tasks. You must count your pens. You have worked in the groups, and that's why I need to know which group was excellent today. Now count. How many pens have you got? Tak, how many pens? 9. And group 1, how many pens have you got? 7. I think that group, the second group, wins. Congratulations, our congratulations for you. And put the arrow is the right smile, okay? If you like this, our lesson, put in the green part. If you don't like, put in the red, and if it's so, put in the yellow. Okay, be quick. Now show me also. Only show me, please. Okay, Murasu, can you show me? Yes. Show me, please. I want to know your opinion about today's lesson. Okay, thank you very much. Our lesson is over. You may go, but you may take with you these pens. These pens are for you. You may take with you. Okay. Thank you very much.